it's me, the Lorax, with your special sponsor for today. Today our sponsor is Dr. Wily. He likes to eat potatoes. I speak for the trees. Lorax out. Now, back to our regular programming. We have the interrogation meeting. Now that we interrogated these people are safe. We will be moving on to the next row. I'm guessing that I'm going first. You are correct. Okay. My enemy is Sonic the Hedgehog, same as Metal Sonic over there. And have I ever teamed up with him? Well, you have that one time in Sonic Lost World. Shut up! You heard the robot. Kick him out! What? I'm guessing that next would have to be that sock monkey. Correct. Well then, sock monkey person, who is your arch nemesis? Well, I just pretty much hate everybody, and yes, I have teamed up with some people in the past, but I have ended up double-crossing them. Well, what about all the other people? They've double-crossed their people that they teamed up with too, right? Correct. It wouldn't be fair to let them leave, but you stay. So, you're out. How did I all of a sudden disappear? Bowser power. Well, based on the patterns, I guess I'm next. My enemy is anyone who is trying to stop me! Cool. But have you ever teamed up with anybody who tried to stop you? Not that I could think of. Good. Now then, you can stay. But I'm looking out for you in your every action. You seem suspect. Video game characters always treating these movie characters like they're lesser. I hate this prejudice. Next, we have my loyal son, Buzz Jr.
Hello. My name's Bowser Jr. My enemy is the Mario Brothers, and I have teamed up with the Mario Brothers and, like, Mario Party and stuff like that to destroy my father. Yeah.
So get off the island! Wait so fast, DDD. He's my son, so he gets a special treatment. You spoil your kids to no end, you selfish little Koopa little...
Did you call me spoiled? I'm not spoiled.
I'm ruthless!
I'll throw you off the island! He's gone. Hey, Dad, can I get a new toy?
Of course, son. But after this.
Okay, Dad.
Now that DDD is gone, he really, really deserved that, by the way. There was totally none favoritism or anything. Well, next we have the Muppet category. Wait just one moment. Ganondorf? I thought you were banished. This is Fly, wow, did you escape? Muppets, what do you have to think about this?
We're terrified.
Same with... Don't be worried, I'm only here to change up leadership. What do you mean, change up leadership? You stink at your job, and you teamed up with those Mario Brothers for, like, I don't know how many games. Yeah, but I'm the one who started this whole meeting. Shut up, you fat Koopa. I'm in position as leader, and I kick you out. But, son, come with me.
No, Dad. This guy promised me free toys and power beyond my wildest dreams.
Junior, I will be back, everybody. I will be back. I will be back. Now that fool is out of the picture, I would like to say a little word. Everyone will bow down to me as the ultimate king, ruler, and god. I am the ultimate person in all of the universe, and you guys are you can just join the others who have earned their trust on the island. I'm not. I bet you guys haven't really done anything because you're Muppets. There's this one gangster cat, but yeah, uselessness. I will train you guys to the end of his existence, and you all be my slaves. Yes. So I will start a montage. Yeah, montage.